The courtroom doors open. The bailiff's voice echoes, "All rise." Judge Fun enters with authority and calm. The case of Huxtable versus Huxtable begins. A simple child support hearing, but beneath the politeness lies years of shared history. Both parents stand, trying to keep their emotions contained. The air feels cautious, civil, but heavy with the weight of what used to be.
All rise. Judge Vanderby Court now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1005, Huxtable versus Huxtable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Huxtable, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, so my ex-wife Jennifer and I have currently a verbal agreement regarding support of our child. I pay $1,000 a month to her, and I'm just coming today to formalize that and put it in writing.
Oh, okay. So you guys pretty much have an agreement already worked out?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Who pays health insurance?
Mr. Huxtable takes the stand. His tone is respectful, steady. He explains that he and his ex-wife already have a verbal agreement, $1,000 a month for their child. He just wants to make it official. The judge nods approvingly. This isn't a battle, it's a step toward peace. For once, a courtroom doesn't feel like a battleground. It feels like a place to rebuild trust.
Insurance for the child.
I currently pay health insurance.
Okay, how much do you pay?
$259 a month.
Okay, how old is the child?
The child's 3.
Okay, are you all already divorced, or are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. It's good to see that the two of you can work this out, and that's very much so the reason why you come to court, to put.
Judge Fun leans forward, listening closely. She confirms the details: health insurance, $259 a month, paid by the father. The child is 3. Both parties nod in quiet agreement. It's clear, these two may no longer be married, but they're still a team when it comes to their child. The judge smiles slightly. In her courtroom, that kind of cooperation is rare.
That agreement in writing, because if it's not in writing, it's not enforceable. So as of right now, let's say hypothetically he chose not to pay the amount that you guys agreed on, there's nothing you can do to actually enforce that against him. So it's good that you guys came to court to put that in writing. So I'm going to honor the agreement between the two of you. Child support is set at $1,000 a month, and the health insurance of $259 a month will also remain in place. Just make sure you maintain the health insurance on the child. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else that you all wanted to put in your agreement?
With calm authority, the judge explains why this step matters. If an agreement isn't in writing, it isn't enforceable. A verbal promise means nothing in the eyes of the law. Her voice carries wisdom and warning. If he stopped paying tomorrow, there'd be nothing she could do. The courtroom listens. It's a moment that reminds everyone watching, verbal agreements can vanish, paper lasts.
Not on my side.
Okay.
No.
Okay, you all sure? I mean, you're already here. You don't want to have to come back and,
Just not what would an example of something else be?
I mean, it could be anything. It could be, you guys want a telephone access to be in writing. Like if you want to call the child, you want to.
The judge makes it official. Child support, $1,000 a month. Health insurance, $259. Mr. Huxtable nods, ready to continue supporting his daughter. Jennifer, his ex-wife, exhales quietly, a small sign of relief. The tension in the room begins to ease. For the first time today, both parents seem at peace with what's being decided.
Call the child, you can put that in writing.
You
can talk about if the child is involved in extracurricular activities, you want to put that in there. I mean, it's kind of up to you.
We've been splitting all of the extracurriculars and things like that, so.
Yeah, she's a little ballerina.
Okay, how old is she?
3.
3, okay. So since you all have been splitting the cost of the extracurricular activity, that should be in there as well.
Okay.
Okay. All right, if there's no.
But Judge Fun isn't done. She knows the details matter. She asks if there's anything else they'd like to include, anything to prevent future conflict. It's a moment of wisdom hidden in a simple question. Too often, couples return to court over what they forgot to say the first time. The judge's tone is gentle but firm. Handle it now or face it later.
Nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome. I just want to go over what you all witnessed in the Huxtable case. The parties had an agreement between them for child support, medical support, and how they were going to split the child's expenses. It's not that difficult, folks.
The couple hesitates. What else could there be? The judge offers examples: phone access, extracurricular costs, communication boundaries. The courtroom grows still as she reminds them that co-parenting doesn't end with a signature. It's a daily choice. Jennifer nods, mentioning their little ballerina, just 3 years old. For a moment, the legal talk fades, and a proud mother smiles.
You can have a case that's just as easy. You want to minimize the amount of litigation that actually takes place in your court. The more you all are able to come to an agreement that's going to be the best for your situation, it's also going to be what's in the best interest of your child.
The judge adds it to the record. They'll continue sharing extracurricular expenses. A simple line in the paperwork, but a powerful sign of partnership. The parents agree. No fighting, no bitterness. Just mutual respect for the little girl they both love. It's rare, but it's real. And in this courtroom, that's a victory.